back, cutest little champions. I hope my dearest children are doing so good. So we are meeting after 4 to 5 days and I hope nothing has changed. You all are rocking, right? Do not be worried about anything. Okay, you're gonna do good. Now listen to me out carefully. One update has come from KA's end and that is regarding marks entry. Now you might have seen this particular video title elsewhere, and if at all you're someone who's bothered that do I need to do my marks entry? I've just given my examination this year. Is it applicable for all of us and things like that? Make sure you listen to me very, very carefully. I'll clear away all your doubts. Yes, so let's go ahead and let's directly go to KA's website and let's see this video is going to be useful for who. So first of all, Baba, you have to go to admissions over here. Click on UG CET 2026 and here the first notification that has come up says what? UG CET 2026 login for auto-fetching marks for CBSE or CICSE and other state boards who have completed 10+2 before 2026. So first of all, this is not for anyone who has given examination in 2026. Okay, whether you are from PU board, that is Karnataka PU board, or whether you are from CBSE board, anywhere, you do not have to do anything if at all you have someone who have given the examination this particular year. Now, talking about who have to fill this in, basically those of you who either belong to CBSE board, CICSE board or other state boards, not Karnataka board, I'm talking about other state boards. And basically you had completed 10+2, that is your 12th grade before 2026, not in this particular year, the previous year, suppose 2025 pass out might be there, or before that you might have given the examination in 2024 and probably you might have taken drop and you might be giving examination, you might have given KCET examination this year. In that particular case, your 12th grade was completed long back, right? For you guys, okay, if you belong to these boards or some other state boards apart from Karnataka board and you have written KCET examination, then you would have to go ahead and log in for auto fetching your marks. Auto fetching marks means automatically your marks are going to be taken up. Taken up from where? That I'll be talking about right over here. Before I go ahead, if at all you think that this video is helping you or in the way you feel that okay, this video had helped me, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button then and there only. Okay, do not forget, because lots of updates are gonna come your way. Now listen to me here. Once you click on that, you have to fill in your application number, the password, the captcha verification, and then further you can log in using your OTP or face verification, right? Now one thing is very important over here which could be missed by you guys, so I am reading out for you. Okay, so before login, pull your 10+2 marks card in DigiLocker. Okay, to know how to pull the documents in DigiLocker, click over here. So it will be redirecting you to a video where they will be telling you how to access the DigiLocker. Now basic thing is that since I told you automatically your marks are going to be fetched from where? From DigiLocker. So you have to make sure in DigiLocker your marks card is there. How do you do that? So you do not have to watch the video if it's too much for you. I can explain it to you right over here. So first thing, go to your Play Store if at all you're using an Android. If you're using an iOS, use your App Store and download DigiLocker app. So the app looks like this, Baba. Okay, it is going to look like this. Make sure you download this particular app. And don't worry, it's all safe. It's government approved, app. So it's all good. Okay, so download DigiLocker and then what you have to do over here, one pop-up would be coming in. DigiLocker would like to send you notification. Now if at all you do not want any notification, click on do not allow, or basically if at all you want, click on allow. That's a basic thing, right? So after that, so either click on allow or do not allow. I have written allow, you can do either way. Okay, anyways, and then you have to choose the language. So the language of your choice, English and lots of other languages also given in the background. You can choose whatever language you want and then you have to go ahead. Okay, whatever language you're comfortable in, whatever language you can read well. Okay, make sure you choose that. Now click on get started. So over here this particular page is going to be opened up and what you have to do, move down and over here you will be seeing get started. Click on get started. Done. And then you have to provide a valid mobile number. A valid mobile number. Do not give any number that is not working, that is not going to be accessible. This is for a long-term use. Make sure you give a number which you probably is something that is official. You will have it for a long time. Okay, please put that particular mobile number and click on continue button. Now once you do that, what is going to happen? Two things can happen. Basically, either you might have logged in before. Okay, that is why you might have an account there, or probably you might have to create a new account. For me, the case was I already had an account, but I forgot the password. So I'll tell you how to do that as well. Okay. Anyways, so suppose you want to go ahead with creating a new account, you can just click on that, and basically they will be taking some information from you. Make sure you give the valid information, whether it's your name, whether it's your date of birth, your gender, the mail ID, everything has to be valid. And then you can go ahead with continue button, and that's how basically your account is going to be created. Apart from that, there could be some OTP verification as well. Make sure you check out for that as well. Now over here, since as I said I already had an account, you just have to click on the name of that account. What is going to happen? You would be asked to fill in your security pin. Now as I said, there are some people like me who forget their pin. So what do you have to do? We just have to click on forgot pin. Once you click on forgot pin, Baba, OTP verification, your mobile number will be asked. You have to fill in your mobile number, and OTP will be coming into your mobile number, and later on some page like this will be coming where you have to create the new pin which is there. So whatever pin is there, you can create that, and if at all you want to enable the Face ID and Touch ID and all, you can just click or make a tick on this particular box out there. Yes, and then further you just have to click on continue. You just have to click on complete button. Done. Now what's going to happen? A brand new page is going to be opened up. This is your page. You have successfully logged in. Okay, and now if at all you want to give any of these access for your location, you can give. I will prefer allow while using the application only. Whatever you feel to, you can go ahead with that. And later on, Baba, it looks something like this. Okay, the actual page, it looks something like this. What you have to do is scroll down a bit and you will be able to see search. Right, now click on the search tab and search for whatever you're looking forward for. For example, I am looking for my 12th card mark sheet. Okay, so what do? I put CBSE because I have studied from CBSE board, so I put CBSE. Now in multiple options are going to come over here. I can directly put class 12th mark sheet also, either way. So CBSE, whatever. It's easy for finding this way, that's why I put CBSE. Now whatever board you belong to, you can put that particular board over here. Now I've got an option, class 12th mark sheet, right? I saw that. So what do? I click on that. Once I click on that, what is going to happen? I would have to fill in certain things such as my name, my roll number. Obviously, I will be having my result. Right, so from my result, I mean the hard copy of it, I can just look out for the roll number and I can just fill that in. The passing year, I can just fill that in, and basically I can click on get document. Now what is going to happen? Document is going to be fetched up. So that is why it is mentioned as fetching document. So there's a process that is going to ongo. You have to stay over here, and they will be finally, once it is done, redirecting you to a page like this where it will be mentioned that issue documents are seen over here. Issue documents means the one that you have fetched already. So I had taken my Aadhaar card and PAN, but anyway, now I had fetched what? Class 12th mark sheet as well. So this is how you would also have to fetch your document. As I said, for whatever board you belong to, make sure you fetch it and keep it ready in the DigiLocker before you log in over here. So before you do the login process over here, you have to make sure that you have pulled in your 10+2, that is your 12th grade certificate, marks card. Okay, the marks card, I'm not talking about transfer card and stuff like that, only the marks card. Done. I hope that works. Yes. Do you think that this video was helpful? Well, if it was, as I said, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Now once you have filled in all this thing, basically it is going to auto fetch your details. Whatever information is there, it is going to be fetched automatically. So you need not be worried about anything. You do not have to do any rough filling. Right. Now one more thing, for children who have given examination this year, for you, for KCET, that means Karnataka board champions, your data will also be auto fetched, so you do not have to be worried. I'll be coming up with the videos on that as well once they have officially published it. Okay, so we're just waiting for that, and as I said, if at all you do not want to miss out on any such notification, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Now one more thing, if at all you are someone who is preparing for COMEDK and you have no idea what to do, there's COMEDK 10 crash course. It's a 10-day crash course which is there. It's a PYQ based crash course where there are sessions on PYQs. For example, one day you have physics and one day you have chemistry. There will be long sessions where the different chapters PYQs are going to be completed, the most important ones, and in that way your syllabus and everything is going to be sorted. Now the next day you might have mathematics. One day you had physics and chemistry, right? Next day you have mathematics and also one mock test. So there are 5 full-length mock tests also available over here. There will be top 100 most expected questions days before your examination is going to happen. There will be live doubt solving session a day before your examination again. So that is all going to help you out. If at all you feel that it is worth it, if at all you feel that I need to have something like this, you can check it out in our description section. Make sure you read out every offering out there. If it is useful for you, take it up. Cool. So yes, now the next thing is there is a test series as well. So not a crash course, it's just a test series where there are 12 full-length COMEDK mock test PDF will also be there, and the pricing for that is rupees 999. So you can check out for that as well, again in the description section of this particular video. And I hope I had helped you, and I just want to wish you all the best, and do not be worried about anything. Everything is going to be sorted, okay? You guys are gonna rock. Okay, bye-bye, take care, lots of love from Jasmine ma'am.